What if I tell you that you don't have to pay thousands of dollars to perform quantity takeoffs using PDF drawings on softwares? Instead, you can achieve the same results using Claude completely free of cost, and you don't have to pay a single dollar. I'm Hamza Jabbar. I'm an AI construction automation specialist. We have more than 40 plus AI deployments across construction firms globally, and we recently helped a design build firm save 17 hours a week through 4D BIM automation. And right now, we are also building a 5D BIM cost estimation system. So let's get directly into it. I'm going to show you how to perform quantity takeoff using Claude completely free of cost, no charge at all. And we are going to achieve that by using Anti-Gravity, which is a Google ID platform. It is completely free of cost to download. And basically what it is, in short, it helps you to directly integrate all the popular agentic coding platforms like Gemini, Claude, and ChatGPT also. And the very best thing about it is that you can access Claude Opus 4.6 completely free of cost because it has inbuilt credits. Whereas to use directly from Claude, you have to pay $20 per month membership, right? So you can actually try this right now using Antigraph. Okay. The other thing we need is that we need our 2D PDF drawing. The third thing we need is our custom estimate template. So the Claude actually knows where to perform quantity takeoff, right? For the sake of this video, I'm just going to use the foundation plan, page number 2, our drawing plan, and we are going to use a specific prompt. I have already made the prompt. Basically, what you need to do is that you need to be really specific. You do not have to give it a long prompt because it's just going to make it number. We have to communicate with AI like we are communicating with our colleague or our employee, right? Anyways, so I have told the Claude where it could find the files and which quantity takeoff it has to perform. And all I'm going to do is press enter, and we are just going to wait and see how Claude performs, right? Okay, so it has started to read a structural drawing and it has started to examine it. All I'm going to do is will allow all of these to access the files. Okay, now it has started reading it. So basically, how Claude performs quantity takeoff, just to give you some background of it, is that it reads the vector data that is inside these PDF drawings, right? So that's how we know that it is going to be accurate because all the drawings have vector data embedded into each of the PDF drawings. And now we are going to just wait. So the Claude has finally performed the quantity takeoff. Let me just show you the result of it. We've got the elements, description, concrete form of rebar, and the totals as well. On the Excel sheet, the entire new Excel sheet was created using the custom estimate template that I uploaded. We've got the right accurate elements by category and items. We've got quantities and unit as well. Let me also show you the backend working of it also. So you can see the custom Python scripting and coding. So you cannot achieve these results on normal regular chat interface because that will not give you the accurate result, and it is not going to do the custom scripting for you because you need that to read the accurate vector data. So that was pretty much it. I'll give it a try, play around with it, and let me know how it goes. I will see you in the next one.